Hi, my name is Fadhli and I'm from Singapore. I started my journey in 2016 in Singapore and South Korea as a scenic designer. I had the opportunity to work with several well-known companies from ground up, from the planning process till making the construction planning and implementing the visuals and projection on stage. Being this masters at LABA has been incredible experience because the professors has been very supportive towards the student. I've been using tools such as Touch Designer, Pangolin, MapMapper and Ableton to design immersive and interactive visuals for the course. Currently, I'm working with several installations. One uses glove with sensors to link dance movements with touch designers. I'm using Kinect as a starting point to help me visualize how the choreography gonna look like and also implement that movement into the installation itself. I also work with another installation whereby it works around with light and sounds, and we're gonna make it a huge light art installation. I do have another installation whereby we work with real-time NASA data. We are trying to create a world where the audience can visualize how the NASA interaction and also visuals can correlate in touch design. I'm excited to keep exploring, learning and growing here in Europe, back in Singapore or anywhere in the world. Thank you.